Welcome and thank you so much. My name is Tinne, I'm head of design of Victoria Designs and we create and sell crafting printables. You just downloaded a PDF with tags, pockets and some extras. In your printer settings you can choose exactly which pages you like to print and which not. This PDF is an example of a crafting printable and these are files that you can purchase, download, print and immediately start crafting with 24/7. So if you have a nightly urge to craft something, voila! Crafting printables range from full-size papers to tags to boxes to party kits to journal kits, etc. And now I'm going to show you how to make these tags. This is the page that you will get. 2 separate tags and 2 separate pockets. You can combine them if you like, you can use them apart, whatever you like. There's a lot of possibilities here. Now, I already cut it because I was filming the wrong way and I had to start over. And if you like, on the back there's a back design too, but that's totally optional, of course. This is not the only thing that you will get. I also included a inksaver version that you can print on craft paper, colored paper. This is printed on craft paper. This is a version that I printed on scrapbook paper. I trimmed it to size for my printer, and this way, if you print it on scrapbook paper, it already has a nice background. Don't use a busy pattern for this because it's already quite busy and otherwise the design would completely get lost. I printed these two on 160 grams paper, that's 59 pounds. And this scrapbook paper is, I think, 250 grams paper, that is 92 pounds if I'm not mistaken. Don't kill your printer. Okay, so I already trimmed these tags and I'm actually filming the right way this time. For the large portions, the trimmer is just the fastest option. And cut the small pieces by hand. There, and you can use these just as gift tags just as well. And you can use these pockets somewhere else in a journal or wherever you like. But I'm going to attach these on here to show you how it could be. And first I'm going to score these lines very quickly with my scoreboard. You see, I made this part a bit too long, but just trim it off and it'll be all right. And now, totally optional, first I'm going to add some ink to the edges. I finally treated myself to a big box of this antique linen color. Yay! Oh. And for these, I'm going to fold the tabs and ink these folds, because that's what you're going to see. Alright, right. Don't get rid of this yet. I wanted to put a little notch in here. Think that this is the middle. There. It's a bit different than usual. There, you can measure it of course, and I highly recommend measuring it because eyeballing it is not always the best way to go. But it's so much faster. And then you can add this pocket to the tag. This one here, or change them around, whatever you like. Use some glue, or I'm just going to quickly use double-sided tape. As close to the edge as possible. I like to follow the shape of the tab a bit with the shape of my tape. The shape of my tape. Oh, what a beautiful love song that would be. The shape of my tape. There. So see, my tape is angled that way, so it fits beautifully here. right next to the folding edge. Keep my thingy like this, and there you go. Now this one will be better this way, like this, and here in the corner I'm just going to use a little drop of glue, or maybe it's okay like this. I'll see. Let it stick. Let's start with this one first. Gonna pre-fold these and then carefully position this pocket on. If you think, oh no, I need to move a bit, just add a bit of glue stick on top, then it's a bit more forgiving. But I'm living on the wild side. I'm just gonna do it. And there you have it, perfect. This way you can put a card in there. Let me just punch a hole here. So you can use this as a gift tag, put some money in here. These two tags are ready. I already attached a piece of rope on this one, and I have one here. If you think a piece of rope is a bit too sturdy or too large, too heavy, just unwrap them, unwind them. Then you have two pieces that are a bit thinner, like this. So I really hope you like this free printable. And to end this video, I wish you the most beautiful day ever. See you next time. Bye everyone.